Hi friends, welcome to Scalping Indicator YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I will post regular videos on the scalping indicator. Scalping indicator is an indicator which give buy and sell signals on the trading view charts on the assets what you selected. Generally, I used to trade on Bank Nifty, Sensex, stocks and Bitcoin. So before going further, let me explain you in brief. So why I developed this indicator and why I am selling this indicator. So actually I have 4 years of trading experience. Okay, so I'm a techie, so I am a software engineer. So doing my job parallelly, I would like to invest in stock market. So 4 years back, I invested in few stocks for long term and short term. Okay, so for few stocks I got some profits. For few stocks I lost some amount. So after that I choose to take tips or calls from call providers by paying 3,000, 4,000 per month. So at that point of time I felt it was very difficult because by doing other works I have to watch the Telegram group or WhatsApp group for getting their updates. They don't provide updates like at 9:15 or 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. So we have to keep on waiting for that message. Okay, so after getting the message we have to go to our trading platform and we have to select that particular strike price, and we have to enter at that particular price only. But while doing all these things, price will go higher or lower. And after that I gave my account for account handling also. So at that point of time also I lost so much of amount. So after all these things I decided to learn about stock market, and I studied some technical analysis. So after that I decided to develop an indicator for my personal use only. So using PineScript, I have developed this scalping indicator. So using this scalping indicator, we have to take only scalp trades. Okay. So we shouldn't take any long term or short term or STBT or BTST trades. Why? Because I developed this indicator for only intraday base only. Okay. So I developed this indicator, and later on I shared this indicator to my dearest friends and colleagues also. So many people have requested me to publish this on YouTube and Instagram and Telegram also. So what I thought at the time is, see, using this indicator I am earning some consistent profits on daily and monthly basis. Okay, so you are not a competitor to me. Okay, even you, uh, both sides, like we are not competitors to each other, because if I earn 50,000 or 1 lakh per month using this indicator, at the same time people who are using this indicator, they also can earn that much amount. Okay, so even for courses also I have paid a lot of amount, and you don't need to pay 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 for courses also. Okay, for this indicator, if you want to use, I am charging 5,000 rupees per month. Okay, on monthly basis, I am charging because I know the value of this indicator and how much potentiality of profits it can generate on daily basis and on a monthly basis. So I am expecting very little much of amount from your profits only. Okay, so if you pay me 5,000, then I will give you access of this indicator. Okay, so initially you don't need to pay any amount. Just follow me for 1 month or 2 months. Daily I will post updates regarding stocks and Bank Nifty and Bitcoin also. And monthly once or twice I will give you free access for my indicator. If you follow me regularly on Telegram or Instagram and on YouTube, so you will get to know on which day I am giving this indicator for free access. Okay, so at that point of time you can get the access for my indicator, and you can do live test and as well as back test. If you are satisfied with the results, then only you can purchase the indicator. I am not forcing anyone. Okay, so using these candlesticks we cannot predict market will go up or down. So for this I developed an indicator. It's scalping indicator. Okay, so here we are seeing green color and red color candle, right? So green color candle indicates potentiality of movement of market. It may go up. Red color means it may go down. Okay, so here if you go to the settings, you can enable shapes also. Okay, so I have taken 17th April Bank Nifty chart here. So I am choosing two strike price 53,200. So here I am choosing 53,200 call option. Okay friends, let me, and here it is 53,000 option. Okay friends, so here Bank Nifty chart, it's I have chosen 5 minute time frame. You can choose 1 minute, 3 minute also. Okay, but regularly I trade on 5 minutes time frame only. So if you observe this 9:15 candle, a buy signal has been generated on below of the candle. Okay, so there are two main rules. So whenever a signal is generated, okay, you have to wait for the candle has to be closed at that point of time, and you have to take trades. For buy trades, we have to take buy trades whenever the candle crosses above the high of the previous candle. Okay, okay friends. For sell candle, whenever the market breaks that sell candle low value, then you have to enter sell option. Okay, so here if you observe this 9:15 candle, this candle high value is 53,333, but next candle it didn't break that high, so we will avoid this type of signals. Okay, so if you come to the 9:25 candle, so this candle lowest value is 53,135. If you observe the next candle low value, it didn't break the previous low value, so we will avoid this signal. Okay, so if you come to the 9:30 candle, so this candle high value is 53,276 rupees, right? So we will open the call option, and we will enter this position whenever the market crosses that 53,276 price. Okay, so here on what time frame it gives signal at 9:30, right? So here is the candle 9:30. Okay, so usually friends, I take 2 to 3 points as buffer. Okay, to avoid false signals. Okay, so this candle high value is 560, right? So let us take 562. Okay, so we will enter at that value 562. Okay, so this is our entry price. Okay, so generally when I trade in bank nifty options, I will keep 25 to 30 points as stop loss. Okay, so I don't give more than that. Okay, so it is 561, right? uh, let us take at 536. Okay, this is our stop loss. Don't give more than 30 points as stop loss for single trade. As I mentioned, it is a scalping indicator, right? So per day we will get around 8 to 10 signals. Okay, if you are satisfied with 50 to 60 points in a trade for one day, you can quit trade for that day. Okay, but what I do is I will take all 8 to 10 signals whichever that indicator gives on a particular day, because I want to see. Remember one thing, we all know that in 22 working days will be there in month, so we will get at least 5 to 6 days where the market moves heavily upside or heavily downside. So at that point of day, I am looking to capture all those points. Okay, so I don't want to limit my profit. I want to limit my stop loss, but I want to uh, uh, increase my profit. Okay, so here 561.90 is entry price. Okay, so 536 is stop loss. So this is initial stop loss. Okay, after that I will trial the stop loss. So whenever this price triggered, our entry position will be taken in our trading platform. So what I will do is, whenever this 5 minutes time frame candle closes, I will drag my trailing stop loss point to that low value of that candle. So here entry triggered here and this 5 minutes candle closed here. Okay friends, so what is the low of this candle? 539.05, right? So I will drag this stop loss to 539.05. So I will wait for the next 5-minute candle. Okay, see if the candle comes down and if it is triggers the stop loss, okay, then I will take this stop loss. It is very minor, right? See, after that 945 candle, this candle is closed at 675 rupees, right? So as I mentioned, I will drag this trailing stop loss. Okay, trailing stop loss value is this low of candle. Okay, so whenever this 950 candle, this 950 candle has been closed, right? So as per our theory, we have to drag out trailing stop loss to the low value of the this candle. Okay, so see here, so it is 654.25, right? So initially we have entered at 561. Okay, initial stop loss is 25 to 30 rupees. Okay, so I am trailing my stop loss to the low of the candle. So I have dragged 654.25. So whenever this 955 candle comes down and triggers this 654 price, then our trade will automatically exited. Okay, so we'll see how many points we captured here. Okay, so I am taking a price range 561.90 initially. This is my stop loss. So after that I will drag this trailing stop loss to 40.85. After that 950 candle has been closed, right? So again this trailing stop loss has been dragged to 88. Okay, okay friends, here I have earned 88 rupees in this single option. Okay, so friends, no indicator will give you sure shot 100 percentage signals. Okay, so we have to minimize our stop loss and maximize our profits. In scalping indicator also few signals will give you stop losses. Okay, we have to take that. If you give this some amount to the market, then market will give you huge amount. Okay, so in first trade, I got 88 points. If you are satisfied with these points, you can quit the trading for that day. Okay, but as per my theory, I'm continuing taking the signals. Okay, initially I have got 88 rupees. Okay, so see here, at 955 candle, you got a sell signal. So sell signal means either you can sell the call option or you can buy put option. So I am going to the put option. I'm looking for 955 candle. Okay, so this is the 955 candle. So I will enter it 450.95. So initially I will take either I will choose this signal candle low value as stop loss or 25 to 30. Okay, so initially here I kept 14 rupees as stop loss. So in this trade I lost 14 rupees. Okay, so my profit was down. Again I will go to the chart. Okay, so next signal I got at 10:15. So here I got buy signal, right? So I will take call option. So I will go to the option chart and I will check the price here 10:15. Okay, so triggering price is 648, right? So the price is triggered. So initially I will kept 20 rupees or 15 rupees as stop loss. Okay, so this price is entered and after the closing of this candle I kept stop loss as the low of the candle. So here 8.95 I kept. Okay, so in the 10:30 candle it went up and it went down and triggered the trailing stop loss. So here I lost nearly 9 rupees. Okay, so let's go to the next signal. Okay, at 10:30 it gave sell signal, so we have to take the put option. Okay, okay, let's go to the 10:30 value. Okay, so here 10:30 it is, right? So it is 466 initially I entered and the price goes up to 472. After that, this candle is closed. Okay, as per my theory, I will trail stop loss to this low of this candle. So here also it triggered and I lost nearly 9 rupees, right? So why I'm telling is no one can predict the market at what particular price value it will go, or it will go up or down. Okay, so as per my indicator I am taking trades. Okay, so here also you can see here also one buy signal generated and here also sell signal generated. Okay, here also let's take minus 10, minus 10 for those two trades as a trailing stop loss. Here at 11.5 our indicator gave buy signal. Okay, so I will go to the call option chart. So here it is. So I will enter this position at 667. Initially my stop loss is 25 to 30 points. Okay, 640, let us assume this is my stop loss. Okay, whenever the 11:10 candle has been closed, I will move this 26.90, right? It is like a 25 rupees stop loss to the low of the candle. Okay, here my stop loss I have taken down to 1.50 paisa. Like if the market moves against my indicator prediction and if it comes down, then my stop loss is only 1.5 rupees, right? So after 11:10, 11:15 candle has been completed, right? So I will drag this to next candle low. So like this, whenever the next candle forms, I will drag the trailing stop loss to the low of that candle. So like this, I will drag at 11:30 candle. I will drag. Okay, 11:35, 11:40, 11:45. At 11:50, I will kept my trailing stop loss at 851. Okay, so whenever the new candle forms and triggers this 851 price, my active session will be break and my trade will be closed, right? See friends, as I mentioned you, I would like to capture the big moves. Okay, so in this one single call option I got nearly 185 rupees, right? So my account has been grown up to 221 points. Okay, so we'll see here I will avoid this sell signal because it will not be triggered. Okay, and at 12.5 again it gave buy option, so we will take call option. Okay, at 12.5 same here. See, I will enter at 860. Okay, it went up to 879. As I mentioned, I will keep stop loss at this candle's low. Here I got roughly 10 rupees stop loss. Okay, even you can re-enter whenever the price breaks of the previous candle high. Again you can re-enter, but here I am not showing you re-enter because you all are new to this, right? Okay, so again we got a call at 12:40. At 12:35 we won't consider this sell signal because next candle didn't break this sell signal's low value. Okay, so at 12:40 I will enter into call option trade. See here at 977 I entered. Initially my stop loss will be 25 to or 30 points, so I will trial it. Trial. Okay, trial. So in this call option I got nearly 275. Okay, as of now, so I have got nearly 486 rupees, friends. Okay, so like this our indicator will generate buy sell signals. Okay, so based on those signals we will take trades. If the indicator generates buy signal, you can take a call option for buying, or else you can sell put option if you have a huge amount. Okay, so like this we will trade on bank nifty. Even if you choose on nifty also, you our indicator will provide signals. Okay, so this is 17th April. See here for 9:15 it generated sell signal. So whenever the next candle breaks this signal candle low value, then we will enter into put option and we will trial this one. Okay, so we will exit at this point because this current candle break this previous candle's high value. So this trade has been closed and we will wait for the next signal. Okay, so at 9:30 it gave buy signal. So whenever the next candle breaks this signal high value, then we will enter into this trade and we will drag our trailing stop loss to the low of the current candle. Okay, like this. So in this candle at a 9:55 candle, this trailing stop loss will be hit and you will get profits. Okay friends, like this our indicator generates. And one more thing friends, our indicator generates non-repent signals. Okay, wait for the candle close and take proper entries with the proper risk reward ratio. Even it works for Bitcoin also. See, this is the current position of the Bitcoin. Okay friends, see, for example here if you enter here for Bitcoin, I usually take 100 to 150 or candle low as stop loss. Okay, so this candle is very huge, right? So I will take very nominal points because as I told you before, I don't want to give more points to the stop loss. I want to get more profit. Okay, like this, if you enter, okay, it went up to 23.4 and as trailing stop loss, here you got minus 14, right? Minus 14 points in one trade. So after that, our indicator gave signal to short Bitcoin, and again here we got 33 points, here we got 23 points. Here we don't consider this buy signal because next candle didn't break the signal candle high value. Here I will take short position. Here I got 73. You can add it, 33 plus 23 plus 73, 115. 115 points we got profit in Bitcoin. Okay friends, uh, and few people are requested me for stocks also. See, whenever you choose stocks, always choose high momentum or high volume stocks. Like what I mean is you have to choose the stocks where more number of people are trading, whether it is buying or selling, whatever it is. Our indicator will generate buy signals, sell signals, but we have to take that good momentum stocks. If you have any idea on that stocks, you can select those stocks and you can apply this indicator on any asset. Even on foreign stocks also you can apply. But for Indian markets, what I do is I will select NSE India website. Okay, so I will go to the NSE India website at 998. I will go to the market data and I will open pre-open market. So every day a pre-open market will be closed around morning 9:07 or 9:08. So at 9:08 I will go to this website and I will check this percentage change. If you click on this up and down arrow buttons, you can uh, see the stocks list. Okay, so where the how much amount of quantity has been placed and how much amount of crores of uh, value has been traded in the stock in the pre-open market. So see, it is 0.63, right? So what it indicates you, more number of people are interested in Bharti Airtel on April 17th. Okay, so all these are green, right? So generally I will choose 2 to 3 stocks in the green one, and if you click on this red also, you can choose top to top 3. Okay, depends upon you friends. See here it is Bharti Airtel, right? So I will go to the stock Bharti Airtel. So here I got Bharti Airtel stock and I have applied my indicator. Okay. So initially what this indicator told you, see, coming to the stocks, for example, if you are trading with 1,000 quantity, okay, as per my knowledge, I will choose like 2 to 3 points max for a single trade. For example, because coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is a higher value, right? It is the average of the top 50 stocks or top 12 Bank Nifty stocks. So we can expect huge momentum. But coming to stocks, You don't need, for example, if you take huge amount of value of stocks like which are more than about 10,000, you can expect 20 to 30 points in a single trade. But coming to Bharti Airtel, it is like 1800 only stock value. So you couldn't expect more points. Like I would like to capture 15 points, or I would like to capture 20 points within single trade. Okay, so generally, if you get 2 to 3 points, even if you get 2 points, 1000 quantity into 2000 is more than enough for a single day in stocks. If you for one trade, okay. Here we will see. Okay, just one sec. Here initially it gave signal at 1841, right? So it went up to 2.4 rupees. Okay, if you are satisfied with 2 rupees, you can exit the stock, or else wait for my indicator theory. So here we will loss around at 5.5, right? But coming to stocks, don't give more than 3 rupees as stop loss. Okay, just limit your stop loss. Okay, here let us assume it is like I have given 3 rupees as stop loss. Okay, so what happened here? For first trade I got minus 3 rupees. Okay, coming to next one, here at 9:30 it gave sell signal. Okay, I entered. So what is the value? It went down to 4.85 rupees. If you are satisfied with that amount, you can exit at that point of time. If not, just follow our theory. Okay. Here also I lost nearly 0.45 paisa. Okay. Come to the next trade. Here I got a sell signal, but next candle didn't cross the signal candle high value, so I didn't enter. Here also I didn't consider sell signal because this low value is not broke. Here I will enter into this trade. Chota mota profit I got 0.45 paisa. Okay. So next I got buy signal. I will enter into this trade and I will trail my stop loss, trailing stop loss. Here I got plus 3.35 profit. Okay. Here also I got 2.3 as loss, minus 2.3. Next I got buy signal. So here I entered. I will trail stop loss, trailing 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 stop loss. Okay. So how much amount I got here? 31.5. See friends. So if you choose the good momentum stocks or good volume stocks, like using NS India pre-open market, you can choose top one or two or three stocks. Definitely, if you do trade on full day, you will be in profit only. At least you will get 4 to 5 rupees profit. If you are satisfied with 3000 or 4000 profit, you can quit the trading. Or else, if you want to do, if you are a full-time trader, if you want to trade 950 to 330, you can do all the trades. As I mentioned before, we will get 8 to 10 signals. Okay, because no one can expect, right? See, I will show you. Here I got sell signal. No one can expect that market will go 1833 to 1814. Here also no one can expect. So I am using this indicator, and this indicator will indicate me. Arey Baba, you enter here. You keep stop loss as 2 rupees or 2.5. Okay, like after that you have to trail your trailing stop loss. If you do like that, you will get, definitely you will get profits. See, even after that also, here this in this called 2.2 rupees. Okay, here it will enter cost to cost. Okay, here you will get 7.95 rupees. Here this trailing stop loss 0.90 paisa. Here again 8.4 rupees profit. Here again 7.4 rupees. See, roughly you can get 50 points on single stock in a single day. Okay, if you trade with only 1,000 quantity, then you can earn nearly 50,000. See, so many people in YouTube, big YouTubers also. they will trade 5,000, 10,000 quantity. Everyone will watch. They are getting 1 lakh profit. They are getting 2 lakh profit per day. Just watch how many points they are capturing. Okay, see, if you go through my indicator, in this month it gave nearly 2,800 points till April 17. Okay, yesterday only it gave 554 points. Okay, on 17th April. See, if you trade with 30 quantity, you will get 16,600 as profit. If you have good much of amount, if you trade with 1,000 quantity, you will get 5 lakh 54,000. See, using our indicator, we have captured nearly 554 points on 17th of April. Like the big YouTubers, if you trade with 5,000 quantity, how much amount here it is showing? 27 lakh. Big players always do scalping trades only. 5,000 quantity into 20 points they will capture, and they will show today I earned 1 lakh. 10,000 quantity into 20 points. Today I earned 2 lakh. Okay. See, always focus on the points, on how many points you are getting. Even here also, if I multiply these 50 points into 10,000 quantity, nearly you got 5 lakh on Bharti Airtel stock on one single day. Okay, I am not manipulating you. Just calculate your risk reward. Okay, just follow me for 1 month or 2 months. Okay, in meanwhile, I will give you free access for my indicator. So if you are satisfied, then only you can come. Okay, because I know the potentiality of this indicator. Because if I earn good money using this indicator, everyone can earn, because it is I don't give you for free of cost, and I don't charge 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 only one-to-one class or offline class. There is no course fees. Okay, simply I am expecting 5,000 rupees from your profit for 1 month. Okay, so if you are not satisfied, you can ask me, Arey Baba, your indicator didn't work. You can show me. See, for example, let's go to the next talk. So here we go to the need to change. So here it is Wipro, right? So we will go to Wipro stock. See, here Wipro also performed very well. So here Wipro stock value is 235 rupees, right? So you don't expect 50 rupees from Wipro stock, okay? You can expect 4 to 5 rupees in the stock. Okay, initially the signal generated. So if we taken here we got 0.37 paisa. Here it is cost to cost. Here 0.25 paisa. Here one small stop loss 14 paisa. Next here you can capture 82 paisa. We will avoid this signal. Here you can 1.46. No indicator will give 100% signals. I can bet you that. Okay. Here one stop loss 0.26 paisa. Here we have entered 0.35 paisa. Like the see, if you observe the whole day, okay, you will be in profits only if you take all the signals. Even in the stop loss also, see here we got 26 paisa stop loss. But let us assume how much amount the stock has been went down, 41 paisa, right? 41 paisa. So it depends upon your risk reward ratio. You can book it. Okay, friends. If you are satisfied with my indicator, just subscribe my channel and follow me regularly. Okay. Thank you.